Hello, boys and girls, men and women who want to become and be recognized as best in your management area of influence. Thank you so much for helping us build this community of 5,000 of you who want to become and be recognized as best. And not only that, but also help rest of the people, rest of the world, rest of the society to start becoming and being recognized as best. I just want to reiterate that we at Enrich Mentors are committed to helping you become best and be recognized in the management area of your influence, of your circle of influence. We will continue posting our knowledge, skills sharing our knowledge with you, skills with you. We will keep hiring interns to actually build skills. Those of you who would like to work with us, like some of you have been working with us, will be happy. Reach out to us. We will help you on. We will set you on the path of becoming and being recognized as best so that you can mentor others later on. You can start by looking at the videos. If you like any of our courses, you can do our courses. If you like to uh, do any courses for free, and if money is a problem, do reach out to me because I believe in learning and becoming at best. The least I can do is to help you learn without any financial strain that you may not be able to bear today. So thank you so much once again. And lastly, I would like to make special thanks to the people, the interns who work with me day in day out for over last 2 years, who have helped me build these courses on Udemy, help build this presence on YouTube as well as Instagram. And one name that stands out, which who has been working with me, is Saket. So Saket, thank you so much for being with us, helping us understand, helping us build this community and stay connected. We look forward to working with all of you to make sure that fastest way that you can get to become and be recognized as the best in management area in your circle of influence, and then let us start spreading this recognition and the practice of best of management to rest of the world.